Contributing to the Odyssey's worry-free operation is a new maintenance minder system. The powertrain control module monitors various sensors to precisely alert a driver to the maintenance requirements of their specific vehicle. All of these recommended services have corresponding codes that appear on the instrument panel. The primary function of the system is to evaluate how driving conditions affect oil service intervals. For instance, if you drive your vehicle in excessively hot weather or you take a lot of short trips, Maintenance Minder will recommend more frequent oil changes than would otherwise be necessary. A percentage indicator displays the remaining oil life after the ignition is turned on and prior to starting the vehicle. This advises the driver of the need for an oil change. It is indicated by a wrench icon and the letter A on the display. The oil and filter change is indicated by the wrench and the letter B. The system also calculates and displays past due services. Maintenance Minder monitors when to rotate your tires, replace an air cleaner element, service the transmission or coolant system, or when to change the spark plugs and timing belt. Maintenance Minder monitors all of these elements based on the miles the vehicle has traveled. Remember to refer to the Honda Odyssey Owner's Manual. Also, the Honda Service History Booklet, included with every new Odyssey, is used to record a vehicle's service history.